Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial on my channel. Today I'm showing you how I did this set of nails. I'm calling this like a dreamy starry sky look, and I'm going to be showing you how to apply nail stickers. These are the new nail stickers from Magpie Beauty and I absolutely love them. And then I'm also going to show you how I did that cuff, which is in the center of this set, that rose gold cuff. Super pretty. So first, let's get started with showing you guys the products that I used to create this. First, I used the new Magpie nail art stickers. This one is in the number 13 and it's in the color rose gold. I did use tweezers to pick up and apply the stickers. And as far as gel colors, I used the Akzentz Luxio in the color Celebrate, Magpie Fresh as a Daisy, and Magpie Cotton Candy. I also use my favorite top coat of theirs, which is Don't Be Tacky, which is a tack-free top gloss. And then they also have Give Me Strength, which is not a top coat, but it's a thicker gel, which is great for covering over stickers. And I did use this CND Silver Frost. It's like a really pretty shimmer. However, I do believe this is discontinued. This has been in my drawer for a while. I just wanted to add a little bit of like shimmer to the look, so this is what I grabbed. I did use a gel brush, and then lastly, I used the Akzentz Gel Play in the color Pink Champagne. This is like one of my favorite rose golds. This is also a gel paint, so you can do art with this one as well. So let's jump into the tutorial. So to do that middle nail, which is that cuff, which means it has like that border around where the cuticle area is, this is the easy way to do it. So I used to paint the color on, and then I would go in and paint that cuff on over top of the color, but that is actually like the harder way to do it. And this keeps it super simple and so much easier. So first I am laying down that rose gold, and I am just kind of fading it down the nail. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to put that really pretty like periwinkle purple over the top. So don't worry about the fade being perfect. I just wanted to make sure it was nice and smooth. So once you've got that and you have cured that, now I'm going in with that color, which is again Luxio Celebrate, and I'm painting that right over top of that rose gold, and I'm creating this really nice kind of curve where the cuticle area would be to create that cuff. And it makes it so much easier than trying to paint that cuff over top of the gel polish color. So once I have applied my first coat of color, I'm going to make sure and cure that now. And then I'm going to go directly in with my second coat. And this color is absolutely gorgeous, and I love it paired with this rose gold. And look at that perfect cuff. You don't have to worry about trying to paint that super smooth border around the cuticle area. This does it for you. Super simple and easy to do. So once I'm done with the second coat, I'm going to make sure and cure that, and then I am going to top coat. So for the art part of this design, I am grabbing a palette and I'm going to place the colors that I want to use onto the palette, and I'm working off of that. So first, I'm going to be placing a little bit of clear, and which is that Magpie, the Give Me Strength. I'm going to put a little bit of clear on there because I want this look to be like diluted and kind of dreamy and have spots where it's sheer and you can see through it. So I'm using a little bit of clear, and then I'm placing down my colors as well. Next, I am using my gel brush and I'm going to be picking up those colors. So I kind of just start picking them up at random and just placing them on the nail. There's really no rhyme or reason to this. Just kind of place it on the nail. I kind of envisioned in my head like clouds or something like that, something like a sky with pops of that purple and that pink. And so I put my Fresh as a Daisy all over the nail, just in random areas. And then I'm going in with my clear and I am diluting those colors so they're not quite as bright, a little bit more sheer, and I'm placing those on the nail as well. Again, there's really no pattern to this. It's just kind of whatever you feel, whatever looks good to you. It doesn't matter if the colors mix together a little bit, just kind of placing them on the nail at random. So once I'm happy with how those colors look, I am going to cure that. And now I'm going to get out my stickers. These are some of my favorite stickers. They came out with a whole bunch of different stickers. This set number 13 is definitely one of my favorites. And I love that they all come in like the silver, gold, and rose gold, so you have lots of options. So first I'm cleansing the tacky layer off of the nail so that the sticker has something to stick onto. It's not going to stick as well onto the tacky layer as it will like that smooth, dry surface. And I'm just using my tweezers to pick the sticker off of the sheet and place it onto the nail. And I did want to let you guys know that I do have coupon codes for Magpie. I do have one right now. I'm going to try to get this video up by today or tomorrow, but just to let you know, it does expire on April 29th, and it's for 10% off from the Magpie USA website. So I will definitely get it up before the end of the 29th, but just to let you guys know, I know it's coming up and it's going to expire soon. But if you miss this one, make sure you follow me on my Instagram because I always post when I have coupon codes for you guys, and you guys can save yourselves some money on some fun nail art products. So my coupon code that I have right now to the 29th is KatyD10, and that'll save you 10%. So again, I'm just pressing down that sticker with my finger, making sure it's flat and it sticks to the nail perfectly. And I'm just picking up a few different random like stars and moons, kind of seeing what looks good together. Super easy and super quick. So if your clients are looking for something and they aren't sure what they want, this is a really quick and easy way to kind of do some nail art, and you don't have to worry about actually painting things. It just makes it really easy. So once I'm happy with the stickers and where I've got them, they are stuck down on there, I am going in with a little bit of that shimmer over the top just because I wanted to add a little bit of sparkle. This is really sheer. It's not going to cover the nail art at all. So I'm just taking my gel brush and just brushing that on. Again, I think this glitter is discontinued from C&D, but I'm sure there's a lot of different shimmers and different things like that from other brands and companies that you can get. So just play around, see what you have in your drawer. But I just wanted to add just that extra little shimmer to the nail. So I'm applying that all over the nail, and then once I'm happy with this, I'm going to cure this and then I'm going to top coat. Now, if I did not apply the shimmer, I would probably do 2 coats of top coat, or I would do a coat of that Magpie Give Me Strength and then a coat of top coat, just because I want to make sure those stickers are completely sealed in there and there's no edges sticking up or anything like that. I have to say these stickers do lay pretty smooth. I just like to have that extra insurance and do 2 coats of top coat. But because I applied that shimmer over the top, I'm not going to worry about doing that. So I'm just going to go in with my top coat, cure that, and then that look is done. And here is the finished set. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I actually did this set on one of my clients a couple months ago, and I just loved it so much that I wanted to create a tutorial for you guys and show you guys how to use these Magpie stickers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.